Hey guys, so yeah, this is a weird one, very weird one. How you doing? Josiah here, back with another video. You're thinking, why do you have all of this stuff on your face? Actually, depending on what I call this video, it may make a lot of sense. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, I am one of 4 members of a podcast called the Podcast. Now, I do reference it in some videos here and there, but I don't really talk about it that much. Here's me formally saying, yeah, we do have a podcast called the Podcast that I am a part of, and recently we did an episode on hygiene. Part of that was showing our skincare routines, and we did create some content for our Instagram at the Podcast. And I thought, wow, this is pretty cool content, and I thought it'd be a shame if you guys here on my YouTube channel didn't get to see it. Maybe you didn't know how to podcast. So here's just my formal announcement of putting it out there. Also, I'm taking a leaf out of Gary V's hand guide book, whatever, one of his rules to do. I'm recycling and reusing content. Yeah, just testing it out here. I'm just gonna pop in the video of my skincare routine after this. And as you'll see, one of the key things that I use is black soap, which I sometimes let sit on my face. So I thought, let me show you guys one of the things I might do whilst I'm letting it sit on my face. This is the first time Actually, no, it's not. First time I'm recording a video for YouTube anyway with black soap on my face. It does slowly fade away after some time, so more so there for the shock factor at first. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy these types of videos, and if you do want to check out the podcast, then just go ahead and look at it again. I'm not going to post all of the Yardstick podcast content on this YouTube channel, so this is just a little bit of a teaser for you. A little bit of a tease. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Segue into that now. Hey guys, Josiah here from the Yardstick Podcast. I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine off the back of episode 39 where we did hygiene. If you haven't listened to it, go and listen to it. I've just come out of the shower, so perfect time for me to do the bedtime skincare routine. First things first, because I've got longish hair, I'm going to have to tie it up. So just take this band, which is usually sitting on my wrist, take that, tie it up, and there you go. Bish, bash, bosh. It's out of the way and you've got a full face to cleanse and take care of. So me, it's fairly simple. Not gonna lie to you. All I use, first of all, is a bit of black soap. This is my bar here. And what I like to do is I run the water, get it lathered up, create a lathering in my palms, and then we can start spreading. Alright? Just start spreading like this. Get a nice even layer everywhere. And you know what I like to do? Because it's a natural exfoliator, I sometimes like to let it sit. I might watch a few YouTube videos. Yeah, let it marinate, you know what I mean? Let it kick in, so to speak. But of course, because I'm recording this, I'm just gonna cut to the next bit. So let's pretend I come back. Hey guys, it's been sitting on my face for a while. And then I obviously just wash it off. You can use some warm water or some just pure cold if you really want to, but it's nice to open up the pores. When you open them, you wanna close them back up, right? You open it, close it back up. So I'm gonna take some water and rinse it off. So nice and rinsed off, almost, make sure you get it all out, because this does like to get everywhere, and that's it, mate, you know what I'm saying? And then when it comes to drying, you don't want to be rubbing your face all over the place. You just want to take it out, right? And you're gonna pat dry. Simple as, just a pat dry. Face is all clean, time to put some of those essential oils back into your visage. I don't use a lot of products. I use 2 more for the moisturizing, and one of them is only to really help the main one. Some shea butter, alright? Just get a bit of this, and this is thicker than some of you. So this is thick, so you want to take the partner, which is going to help turn it into a nice smooth lotion, alright? So here you go, you don't need too much, don't be greedy. You want to make it last, alright? Come on, COVID. Take it, and then I'm using tea tree oil as the one. This is good for your skin anyway, and this will just turn this into something nice and buttery smooth, pretty much. I'm actually running out, so I ordered another bottle off of Amazon, so we're going to see how much we can actually get out of here. And yeah, we did a good job. So don't need too many drops, alright? Like I said, COVID. As you can see, this consistency starts turning into something that's quite buttery smooth and is easy to spread on your face. I can't believe it's not butter, alright? So yeah, just take it, and then I'm still holding the towel for no damn reason, and then you just take it and start spreading, alright? So I like to do a nice smooth motion Okay, and of course you want to vary with the amount of oil depending on the time of day it is. Because if you're going out straight away, you might want to not be looking like little Miss Sunshine over here, you know. So this is preferable for night time, but I still do it in the day as well. But I go out shining and glistening. But like I said, COVID, no one's going out anyway. Alright, so yeah, look at that. Me, 3 products. 4 if you count the water. That's pretty much it, man. And then you just start glowing. You know what I'm saying? So you don't need all of them all of them things, them products that don't do much. Get me? Yeah? Thanks for watching my skincare routine. Hope you enjoy the other ones. Make sure to tune in to the latest episode of the Podcast, episode 39, discussing hygiene. Spray underneath your arms, alright? Or roll underneath your arms. That's the superior method. Take care, guys. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that content. If you did, follow the Ask It Podcast on our Instagram. And of course, more videos from me coming out on a regular basis now. So yeah, there's not much else to this. That was my skincare routine. And I'll see you guys next time for another video.